Planning a wedding or any large event can be an exciting yet financially daunting task. From venues to catering and decorations, costs can quickly add up. However, with some strategic planning and creative thinking, you can host a memorable event without breaking the bank. Here are some money-saving tips for weddings and events to help you stay within your budget while still creating an unforgettable experience. 1. Set a realistic budget. Determine your priorities. Identify the most important aspects of your event and allocate your budget accordingly. This helps in focusing your spending on what truly matters. Track expenses. Keep a detailed record of all expenditures to avoid overspending and to ensure you stay within your budget. 2. Choose an off-peak date. Seasonal savings. Consider hosting your event during the off-peak season. Venues and vendors often offer discounts for dates outside the peak wedding and event seasons. Weekday events. Opt for a weekday rather than a weekend. Many venues and services are less expensive on weekdays. 3. Opt for a smaller venue. Intimate settings. Choose a smaller, more intimate venue. This not only reduces rental costs, but also creates a cozy and personal atmosphere. Alternative locations. Consider non-traditional venues such as parks, community centers, or private homes, which can be more affordable than typical event spaces. 4. DIY decorations. Crafty solutions. Get creative with DIY decorations. Handmade centerpieces, banners, and other decor items can add a personal touch and significantly cut costs. Borrow or rent. Borrow decor items from friends or family, or rent them instead of buying new ones. 5. Limit the guest list. Intimate gatherings. Keep the guest list small and intimate. This reduces costs for catering, invitations, and favors. Prioritize invitations. Invite only those closest to you to ensure a meaningful and memorable event. 6. Simplify the catering. Buffet style. Consider a buffet or family-style meal instead of a plated dinner. This can be more cost-effective and encourages guest interaction. DIY desserts. Have friends or family contribute homemade desserts instead of hiring a professional baker. This adds a personal touch and reduces costs. 7. Opt for affordable attire. Pre-owned dresses. Look for pre-owned wedding dresses or rent formal attire. Many bridal shops offer rental options for significant savings. Simpler styles. Choose simpler, elegant designs that are less costly than elaborate gowns and tuxedos. 8. Use digital invitations. E-invites. Send digital invitations instead of printed ones. This not only saves money on printing and postage, but is also environmentally friendly. DIY printing. If you prefer traditional invitations, design and print them yourself using affordable online services. 9. Hire local talent. Local musicians and DJs. Hire local musicians or DJs who are just starting out. They often charge less than established professionals and are eager to showcase their talent. Student photographers. Consider hiring photography students or hobbyists to capture your event. They may offer lower rates in exchange for building their portfolio. 10. Negotiate with vendors. Ask for discounts. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices with vendors. Many are willing to offer discounts, especially if you're booking multiple services with them. Package deals. Look for package deals that bundle services together for a lower overall cost. Planning a wedding or event on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing quality or style. By following these money-saving tips, you can create a beautiful and memorable occasion without overspending. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share your own money-saving tips for events in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more practical advice on budgeting, planning, and making the most of your special occasions. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. By implementing these tips, you can enjoy a stunning event that stays within your budget. Happy planning!